Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Knotty Threads. So in today's video we'll learn how to add these baby tassels to the existing twisted kuchu that comes along with the sari. Of late I have noticed that a lot of saris come with this kind of twisted kuchu. A lot of them don't feel like chopping them off, so this is just a new try. We'll just add some baby tassels to this twisted kuchu that is already like this in the sari. So the first step is to unknot this little knot here. So you can use a blunt needle, or if you have nails, I think that will be of great help. So just untie this and make sure not to untwist the twist, otherwise it becomes difficult and the finishing might not be that good. So please do not untwist the tassel, but just try to remove the knot. And like you guys noticed, I am using a dull finished bead here, and I have chosen a bead that has slightly bigger hole so that it's just easy for us to pass this entire tassel. So this is the bead I'm using. It's dull finish bead with slightly bigger hole. So since the hole is big, it is very easy to pass the bead through the sponge. And once you add the bead, you just have to knot it again. It's that simple. So knot it, make sure it is tight enough, and again the length of the tassel is completely up to you. You can leave it at whatever length you want. You can have them all even, or you can have a little one long and one short. So that's as per your choice. So here, since the sari has a lot of blue color thread work, I have prepared my tassel which is like 120 strands, and I have neatly ironed the tassel bunch with a hair straightener. And now I'm just going to pass the glued tip, which is dry because I prepared this tassel quite some time ago, and I let it sit and dry so that it becomes easy for me to insert. So depending on the length you want, you can trim the tassel. So it's that simple, and trust me, this design will be done in less than an hour if you have everything prepared and handy. And I'm using this needle with 2 strands of zari as usual, tying it 3 times and then trimming off the extra length. So here the choice is yours. You can also add some pearls or crystals if you wish, or you can completely skip the bead. I thought adding a bead here will just give that nice little look, and since the sari does not have that flashy gold kind of zari, I decided to use this dull or matte finished disc shaped beads. So now to avoid the bead moving up and down, I'm just applying a little glue and then pressing the bead so that the bead and the tassel sit along and there is no chance for the bead to move. So this is exactly how I have finished working the complete sari. It's very simple. Let's look at it one more time. So the first step is to untie this knot. So if you guys like follow step by step, then it is very easy. First thing is, you'll have to prepare the kuchu thread or the bunch. By the time that dries, we can actually start untying all these knots. If you untie and leave it, it's not going to get untwisted, so you don't have to worry about it. Now once everything is untied, we can actually start adding the beads and tying the knot. So by the time this is complete, our tassel bunch would have dried really well, and then we can straight away go ahead and start adding the tassels. So that's how you will have to plan, so that we try and consume as little time as possible when we are working on the customer's orders. Just because we have all the time on earth, it's not a good idea to spend a whole lot of time on one sari, right? So that's how you actually plan things. So here the knot is placed, and we will finish this step throughout the sari, and then the final step we will add this tassel. I have just chosen this blue color because the sari is completely like one shade, and only the thread work is in blue, and I wanted these tassels to stand out, so that is the reason I am using only blue color for the tassels. So again, repeating the same process. Now the reason I have added glue already is so that it dries by the time I tie this tassel, and once it is dry, the bead, it will just hold the bead very well. When the glue is wet and when you force the bead on that, it might not get fixed instantly. So that is the reason I have put the glue beforehand, so that it dries. When I push the bead, it just it's there fixed. Now just trim the tassel to the desired length, and that's how simple it is. Do let me know in the comment section how you like this new idea or new thought of mine, and do let me know what you guys do if the sari has this kind of twisted ready-made tassels. So I would look forward for your thoughts in the comment section. So please feel free to comment as to what you think about this design, and let me know if you guys have already tried something like this, and if at all you have any new requests, please do WhatsApp me. The WhatsApp number is mentioned in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video in case you like this new idea or creation of mine, and do share the video with your friends. Keep watching, keep supporting, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I guess that's all in today's video. I shall see you guys soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.